Happy New Year. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season and are looking forward to a very happy 2024. I'd like to start the new year off by demonstrating how to do a safe seated twist. And the reason that I say a safe seated twist is because when we're seated, our hips can't move. And oftentimes we will turn and we'll use our lower back for that twist, and that's a good way to put some strain on your lower spine and the muscles in your lower back. So we're going to start off first by making sure that we come forward on our sits bones a little bit and sit up nice and tall. And we're going to start with our right leg. So I'm going to make sure that my right leg is in front. Get resituated here. And I'm going to take my right hand and I'm going to put it directly behind my sits bone, my right sits bone. Take my left hand and put it on my right knee. And I'm going to push into the floor and take a nice deep inhale in and bring my navel to my spine. And before I turn, I'm going to take my stomach and I'm going to move it just a little bit to the left. It's almost as if I'm putting a little bit more pressure on my left sits bone. And then as I turn and look over my shoulder, I'll exhale through my nostrils. Inhale through my nostrils. Keep pushing in through your right hand so you're up nice and tall. Exhale through your nostrils. On your next inhale, exhale. Maybe you can look just a little bit farther over that right shoulder, being mindful not to overextend your upper thoracic spine. And on your next exhale, let's come back to center. And we'll go ahead and we'll switch legs and we'll do it on the left side. Now the reason that we take our stomach and we move it to the opposite side is it opens up a little bit more space in this area, and it also forces us to use our upper thoracic spine versus the muscles in our lower back. So let's try that on the left side with our left leg in front of us. Take our left hand directly behind us. Right hand on the left knee. Push in through that left hand, take a nice deep inhale in, pull your navel to your spine. Take your stomach, move it a little bit over to the right, like you're leaning on your right sits bone, just a little bit. And on your exhale, look over that left shoulder. Inhale through your nostrils. Exhale through your nostrils. Another inhale. And on the next exhale, see if you can look just a little bit farther. Maybe it's only with your eyes. See if you can see the back wall behind you. Inhale. And on your exhale, go ahead and unwind yourself, bring yourself back to center. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.